Hello students, we are doing experiment Y by bending and we have finished two observations related to length and breadth of the scale. So let us perform third observation, which is the main part of this experiment. So let us start. We'll have to perform this third part in two cases. First case is loading and second case is unloading. In the first case, that is in loading case, we have to attach mass, right? To attach the mass, one hook is given. You can see this hook, and we have to attach the mass in this way, just by attaching this to this hook. Okay, so we have to increase the mass to take further reading, right? And in case of loading, we'll have to remove the masses, right? So first observation is for zero mass. Zero mass means no load. No load, it is attached to this hook. Obviously no load is attached to this scale, right? So you can see this pin, same pin you can observe in the microscope. So you can see at here horizontal cross wire is there, vertical cross wire is there, and pin is now the pin is attached to the horizontal cross wire. Okay, so for loading part we have to observe the reading at here, which is the vertical reading. Okay, so just write down reading, note down main scale, coincide division, and then evaluate total reading. This is for 0 gram. Okay, now we have to attach the mass of 50 gram. Here, this is the mass of 50 gram. I am attaching it in this way. Okay. Now let us look at the situation through the microscope. So what you will observe that now the tip of the pin is not attached to the horizontal cross wire. Why is this so? Because as when we attach the mass to the scale, what will happen? That scale bends, right? And because of this, the position of pin get changes. So we have to make the situation like that. The tip of the pin must attach to the horizontal cross wire. Okay, so I am just doing that. So what I have done, I have just I have to change the vertical position. That is why I have used this screw, and just by moving this screw I have made the situation where the tip of the pin, now you can see that the tip of the pin is attached to the horizontal cross wire. So this is for 50 gram. So obviously as I have shifted this screw, this reading has been changed. So we have to note down that reading. So just note down main scale, vernier scale by identifying coincide division, and evaluate total reading. This is for 50 gram. Okay, now let us do for 100 gram. So more 50 gram I have to attach. So just I am doing that. So now total mass is 50 gram. Okay, so let us observe this situation through this microscope. You can also find that now the tip of the pin is moving upward, okay, through the microscope. When we view this situation through the microscope, then we have to make like tip of the pin must be coincide with the horizontal scale. So just I am doing this manually just by shifting this screw. Okay, so you can now see that the pin is attached to the horizontal cross wire. Okay, so corresponding change in reading we have to observe at here at the vertical scale. So note down main scale reading. So just I am zooming so that you can observe main scale reading, vernier scale reading, and total reading. Okay, so let us move towards the third reading. In the third part, we have to attach more 50 gram to the scale through this hook. Okay, so same situation we'll have to observe through the microscope. So you can observe that this is the horizontal cross wire and pin is above the horizontal, tip of the pin is above the horizontal wire. So we have to make the situation like it should be attached to the horizontal cross wire. So let us do that by just shifting the screw. Okay, so now you can observe that now the tip of the pin, yes, now it is attached to the horizontal cross wire. Okay, so let us note down reading. So write down main scale, vernier scale, and total reading. This is for 150 gram. Okay. Now for 200 gram. Total mass is 200 gram. Let us look at microscope. Pin is above the horizontal cross wire. So same thing I am doing. Okay, so I have adjusted for 200 gram. Now pin is, tip of the pin is attached to the horizontal cross wire. Okay, so let us take reading. Note down main scale, vernier scale, and calculate total reading. Okay, now last reading in loading case for 250 gram. So more 50 gram I have added. Now wait for some time. So we have to wait for some time after attaching the mask because the situation must be stable. Okay, so after that, after waiting some time, we can take the reading. So here we have to adjust the pin. So I am just doing by this screw. The screw is for vertical displacement. Okay, so I have adjusted. So let us take reading. Now you can see at here. The pin is attached to the horizontal crossbar. So note down total main scale reading, vernier scale reading and total reading. Okay, so first part is over. We have started from 0 gram, that is the case where no load is attached, and we have finished at 250 gram. Okay, this is the loading part. So first part is over. Now let us do second part for unloading. Okay, unloading means we have to remove the mass one by one. So just I am doing that. I am just removing 50 gram. Okay, now the total mass attached to the scale through this hook is 200 gram. Okay, so if you observe through the microscope, then we will find that the position of the pin changes, right? So we have to make it at equilibrium. Equilibrium means we have to attach the tip of the pin at the horizontal crossbar. Okay, so let us take the reading for 200 gram. So we can first see through the microscope. Okay, now the reading. So note down main scale, vernier scale, now for 150 gram. So I have removed 50 gram and I am waiting because situation is not stable. So we have to wait every time when we attach or remove the mass, because stability is very important to get more accurate reading. So here you can see that pin is not proper position, tip of the pin, so we have to make it right. So let us note down the reading. Let us note down main scale, vernier scale, and find out total reading. Okay, then next reading for 100 gram. So just I am removing. Okay, let us look at through this microscope. Okay, through this screw we are doing the same thing. So you can see at here. So let us take reading for 100 gram. This is for 100 gram, main scale, vernier scale and total reading. Okay, so let us do for last two readings are remaining for 50 gram and 0 gram. Okay, so I am just doing 50 gram. I am waiting for few minutes. Okay, now I am making the situation where tip of the pin is attached to the cross wire, horizontal cross wire. Okay, so I did this. So obviously I have to note down the reading for 50 gram. This is for 50 gram. Now last one for 0 gram. Wait for some time, then look at the situation. The pin is above, horizontal cross wire is above the pin. You have to adjust the situation, and we have to note down the last reading. Wait. Mean scale reading, vernier scale reading, and total reading. Okay, so this is our last reading. So every time you can observe that the position of the pin gate changes. Why this is changes? So actually we have to find out the depression. Depression means this is the equilibrium position for no load, right? And any change from this equilibrium position is called as a depression. This change is just because of the adding or removing the weight. Okay, so we can stop at here.